Hello, I am Sonali and I work in business strategy in a healthcare setup. I have been investing in shares for few years and my approach had been very simple. I would just look at the prices and invest, and while I wasn't making a lot of losses, I wasn't making much profits either. And I knew there has to be a better way of investing with safer and higher returns. But only a few months ago, I met Mr. Vishal and sought his advice on the same. That was when he told me about technical analysis. So I attended his 2 days course and learned the fundamentals of technical analysis like price movements and price trends, various kinds of charts, including candlesticks, other technical analytical tools like stochastics, oscillators, etc. He also taught us the various approaches to be taken for cash, options, and futures markets. In addition to this, he also taught us how to use the software, how to put in the various settings, and it was very helpful. He even gave us a demonstration of the software. But in addition to these theoretical tools, he really got into the practical application of this. I like two points that he made in his courses. The first was he taught us risk management and self control. He taught us the importance of meditation. He gave us this very important point that every morning we should spend some time in meditation and study the markets and plan our strategy much in advance, like the night before or the in the morning or the day before the actual trading. Um, he also gave us another useful tip. Immediately after the course, he forbade us from live trading. He told us to spend some time studying the tools, studying the markets, applying our strategy, and simulating our returns so that we are more confident. We realize and identify our mistakes and improve ourselves and get more confident before the actual trading. But the most important point that he has done is he runs a mentorship group which includes himself and his current and past students, and everybody shares their tips, analysis, and posts their questions, which are answered by Mr. Vishal himself and other students. This way, we all get to learn and corroborate our analysis. And this ongoing discussions are really helpful in analyzing current and ongoing um, trends in the market rather than looking at the historical activities. All in all, I think this course and especially the mentorship group have been very helpful in improving my trading strategy. And I am very thankful to Mr. Vishal for spending so much of time and efforts in his course as well as in these mentorship groups. And I would advise my friends to who are interested and who want to improve their trading strategies to attend this course and benefit from it. Thank you.